Hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell you how to solve the projection of planes problem, particularly the Pentagonal Lamina problem. First we will see the question. This is the question, problem statement. It is a pentagonal lamina of 25 mm side and it is kept on corner. It makes an angle of 30 degree to HP and the perpendicular bisector of the lamina which is passing through the corner on which the lamina rests is inclined at 45 degree to VP. Draw the top and front view of the lamina. This you already solved in the class. I'm going to help you out how to solve the same using software. Okay, this is the interface. First you should draw XY line, type L on the keyboard, select horizontal, just draw an horizontal line on the screen. Next, name the screen, go to name the line, go to annotation, select note, click on the screen, change the thickness to size to 16 and type X, and on the right side of the line type Y, above the line VP by clicking on the left button of the mouse, below HP, escape, press escape twice, move this X according to our requirement. After that select the line and fix its position. Okay, this is the first step. Second step is to draw the pentagon. How to do it? Go to sketch, select this polygon option, number of sides in pentagon is 5, make it 5, click, just draw a pentagon like this, press escape, zoom it, delete the inner circle, select any one corner of the pentagon and move wherever you want. After that select this line and make it vertical, then only the pentagon will rest on its corner. Okay, this is the proper way of making the polygon rest on its corner. Next, select dimension, smart dimension, and check the dimension of the pentagon. According to the problem statement, this should be 25 mm. Just type 25, click on it. Then the dimension of the pentagon is changed to 25. Press escape twice to come out of the smart dimension command. Now select the dimension and make it center using center dimension command, which is available towards the left of the screen. Now it is center. Make sure the dimension line is approximately at a distance of 10 mm from this project, from the top view of the lamina. Later you need to change the thickness of the lamina. Select all the edges of the lamina and change its thickness to 1 mm like this. Okay, using line thickness command. After that, naming is remaining. Go to annotation, select note, click near the corner, name it as A. Before that change its size to 16. A, left click, B, left click, C, left click, D, and this is E. Do it in clockwise direction. Okay, it is not mandatory to name the corners in clockwise direction itself. You can do it in the anti-clockwise direction also. Later draw the projectors from each of the corners. Select line, vertical projectors you should draw from each corner. Select vertical and draw the projectors from each of the corner. From A, extend it beyond the XY line. Later you can trim this. Similarly, draw vertical projectors from each of the corners of the lamina. Press escape, go to sketch and trim option. In that, power trim option is available. Use that one to remove the extended lines. Later, okay, it is better to remove these lines also. Okay, click on the green tick. Okay, next you should draw the front view. How to do it? Select line. Okay, before that the front view thickness view of a lamina should be shown in thick dimension. So change the thickness of the line to 1 mm. Select line L by typing L and select the horizontal. Draw two lines between these two portions and one more line between the second and third projector. Okay, first projector to the intermediate projector. Search for the end point. You can see that one. It is highlighted in saffron color. Click it. Then from there to the last projector. Okay, now name this front view. How to do it? Go to annotation, note, click on the screen, change its size to 16. This is A dash. Okay, next, sorry, left click, this one is B dash of E dash, and the last one is C dash of D dash. Press escape to come out of the command, rearrange it if it is not proper. Next, select the front view. We can do it in two different methods. Select this, press Ctrl and select one more line, or put a box around it. After that, convert this into a block. How to do it? Go to annotation. See here, you can see a command called block. Click on the drop down and make block. Still the block is not created. Want to create a block, then you should click on this OK symbol. Now it is converted into a block. How to confirm it? Click anywhere on the line. Okay, both the lines are selected. Then it means a block is created with two lines, two parts of the front view, in other words. Next, you need to move this front view to the next position. How to do it? Select this line, go to sketch. Okay, in there you can see move entities command. You should not move, you should copy that one. In order to do it, click on the drop down, select copy entities. And now it asks, click to define the base point of the copy. On what basis you want to copy? Click corner of the line, not that one, sorry, this one. Click this, then sorry, I will repeat, just a second. Sketch, copy entities, select the line, right click, just a second, select, go to sketch first, select copy entities, select on the line, then here you can see arrow mark on right button of the mouse, click it and you can move that one. Okay, escape. Now select the line. Okay, this lock angle, once you select the line, since it is a block, this these options are available. Uncheck this lock angle. If you don't do it, you cannot rotate the view. Click. Okay, once you uncheck that one, select the block, go to sketch, select rotate entities, select this corner and use this arrow mark to rotate it. Okay, then right click on this, then escape. Now it is rotated to some angle. We don't know what angle it is, later we can change that one. Now we should make this line to be coincident on this XY line. How to do it? Select the XY line, select the corner of the front view, make it coincident. When you use that option, it will come and rest on XY line. Now the angle, check the angle between these two, press escape, sorry, check the angle between XY line and this one. According to the problem statement, this should be 30 degree. Change it to 30 degree and click on OK. Now it is at an angle of 30 degree. Make the dimension center. Okay. Now transfer this namings. You can do it one more time like we did last time, or else you can select all these naming of the front view, Ctrl C, copy, click near the second position top view, paste it. Later you can rearrange this one like this using the mouse. This is A dash. Now you should draw vertical projectors from each of the corners from the front view. How to do it? Type L, select vertical from A dash. Do it in a sequence. Draw a vertical projector. Okay, now I didn't change the thickness. Okay, you can do it in two ways. Select the thickness and draw the line, or draw the line and change the thickness. Now I will show you the second method. We already wrote a line, select that line, you can change the thickness to default. Before drawing next projectors, change the thickness to default, or else you need to repeat this step every time. In order to avoid that one, better to select the thickness before drawing the lines. Now draw the horizontal projector from A. How to do it? Type L, select horizontal from this corner, draw it in such a way that it crosses the vertical projector. Now these parts are not required, extra things. Select trim options and erase these two. This is the position of A. Okay, the new this is the new position of A. Similarly, draw vertical and horizontal projectors from the front view, the second position front view and first position top view. Okay, first I will draw the vertical projectors. L, type L, select vertical, just move on this line, you will get an end point. You can see that one. From there, draw the vertical projectors. Okay, find out the position, new positions of B and E. How to do it? Type L, select horizontal, from B draw the line, from E draw one more horizontal line. These are called projectors. Now use trim options to remove these things, unwanted things. Okay, next select line, vertical projectors, draw the vertical projectors from C dash and D dash, draw a bit more. Okay, next similarly draw horizontal projectors from C and D. Horizontal from C, draw the projector, from D, from D you should draw, from D draw the projectors. Okay, remove the unwanted lines, these are not required for us, remove it. Now name all the corners. Okay, you can do it in two methods, just copying or by doing it again by using annotation note options. Move it. This is A, this is B, this one is C, this is D, and this is E. Now join all those corners with the help of thick line. Before drawing the line, change its thickness to 1 mm. Select line, don't select the type of the line, just from each corner draw a line. This completes the top view in the second position. And now you should transfer this top view on to the new position. Okay, according to the statement, the median is inclined at 45. You need to calculate the apparent angle that you already did. Okay, the apparent angle is 55 degrees. Okay, just draw a line at 55 degrees. Now I change the thickness to 1 mm. Before drawing the line, change it to default, draw a line, draw a line at some random angle and random dimension. Go to smart dimension and fix its angle to 55 degree. Okay, center the dimension. Okay, you can move anywhere you want, like this. Okay, after drawing also you can move these things according to the requirement. After this, you should transfer the top view from the second position on this 55 degree line. Okay, to do it, you should make a block of this pentagon. Before that, go to sketch, trim and erase this line, or else it will be selected and you will get confused. Okay, do like this and select all the lines using control. Okay, just put a block, zoom it to avoid difficulties. Just put a block around it like that, or by clicking on the line you can select. Don't forget to select the median. Now make a block with all the selected lines. Click, I didn't use the block command. Select all the lines and go to annotations, block, make a block, tick mark. Now all these lines together is in a block. How to confirm it? Just click any line. All the selected lines are highlighted. It means the block is created. Okay, with all the selected lines. You can name this as F, the medium AF, to avoid the confusion. AF. According to the problem statement, AF should be on a 55 degree line. Okay, now go to sketch, use copy command entities and select the block. Okay, and move it to the next position. Just a second. This is F. Select this one, copy, then move to the next position first. Okay, how I did it, I will repeat. Select the block first. You should select the block first. Go to copy entities. Now just click anywhere on the block and move it to the next position. Press escape. Now select the block, uncheck this lock angle. If you don't do it, you cannot rotate this one. Now select the block, go to sketch command, use rotate command, select the edge on which you want to rotate, just rotate like this. Escape. Okay, just select this and move near to this line like this. Next, what you should do, you should make this median to come on this 55-degree line. Before that, select the line and fix its position. Okay, now select the median, select the 55-degree line and make it coincident. Just a second. Okay, before that, make it collinear, not coincident. Okay, select the line and a 55-degree line and that median and make it coincident. You can move it away from the XY line also, no problem, like this. Okay, rearrange it so that it looks nice. Now name it, name each of the corner. Control C, Control V. This is A. Okay, towards the right of the A, B is located. Sorry. Move it to this one. This is F and this is C. If you have any confusion in doing this, you can type it again. Okay, next repeat the steps what we did to get the top view in the second position. First I will do it in sequence. Select line. Okay, check whether it is a default thickness or not. Okay, change it to default thickness. Select line, vertical. I will do it from first corner. A dash is exactly on the XY line, so I will stop here to get the new position of A dash. Similarly, do it on from each corner. Line, vertical from B, just draw like this. Similarly, select the line, horizontal, make it horizontal from B dash and E dash, draw two moon line, one more projector. Similarly, draw a vertical projector from E like this. Okay, now get the intersection, proper intersection points by removing the extra lines. Okay, now this is B and this is C. Similarly, find the position of C dash and D dash. Line, vertical from C, draw like this. From D, draw one more projector like this. Now select line, horizontal. Okay, the same line represent both the points C dash and D dash. Remove the unwanted extra part. Now name it. Okay, not to avoid the confusion, name it. Go to annotation, note. This is, see here, this is the vertical projector from A. This should be named as A dash. Okay, change its size to 16 A dash. A dash, left click. Okay, now look for B, where it is here. This is actually B dash. Okay, next where is C? Here it is. This is C dash, and this is D dash, and this is E dash. Now join all the corners with the help of thick line. Change the thickness to 1 mm. Select line, don't select the orientation type. From A to B dash, from B to C dash, C to D dash, D to E dash, E to A dash. Escape. In this way we should solve the projection of plane problem. Thank you.